Are you feeling depressed? Do you have stress and anxiety? Do you have constipation? Then I have the recipe for you. Stay tuned. I'm Professor Spira. I practice something called the Mucusless Diet Healing System by Professor Arnold Ehret. I've done so for over 20 years, and I've helped thousands of people transform their lives using the methods found in that book and on the mucus-free lifestyle. And today, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my absolute favorite recipes. I love this, and I think you're going to love this too. This is my very special blue. Does this look blue to you? This is a blackberry. It's a blackberry.
You had one job.
This is my very special blackberry recipe. This is some organic blackberries that I sourced at a local market. So I got them. I've already washed them and prepared them and got them ready for the recipe. All right, so what you do first is you just enjoy the vibration that these beautiful berries are giving off. This is just art. This is art right here. Why is there gotta be an ice cream truck? I'm trying to share this life-changing recipe, and they were rude enough to have an ice cream truck driving by out there. And the ice cream truck looks like it's from the 1980s. Anyway, so what you do, take the blackberry in your mouth, and you chew it and savor the flavors. Oh, these are good. They're pretty sweet ones. Now you may get some little seeds stuck in your teeth. That's okay. Just be ready for them. Be ready with some dental floss. So this recipe is what you call a mono fruit meal, where you eat one type of fruit as the entire meal. And so this is a blackberry meal. And I love these if you're having constipation issues, these are good for emotional issues, that very grounding. But overall, you got to clean yourself out, and this is going to be something that's going to help clean you out. And people I say, well, don't you do more recipe videos, Professor Spira? All right, here. This is the way we eat. This is the kind of recipes we do. Mono fruit meal. Now, granted, there are some more complex recipes that we can talk about. And I have those in the Mucusless Diet Healing System e-course and coaching program, and get into some of the more complex, usually in the vegetable kingdom, some of the more complex recipes, but this is a standard recipe right here. Mono fruit. It's a great meal. And these are good blackberries too. Sometimes You can get some blackberries and they're not really too sweet, but these are good. These are good. Now, if you have serious constipation issues, one thing you can try, get some mission figs or some prunes. Eat about 7 to 8 mission figs or 7 to 8 prunes, and then immediately afterward eat about a half pound or a pint or whatever of blackberries. And that's gonna create a nice movement. It's gonna move things. It's not gonna be like this diarrhea type of, it's like,
say that again.
Diarrhea type of.
like, no, it's just gonna be a gentle mover. And that's what you want. Yeah. Really good. And aren't these cute? Fruit, berries, and melons. I like to do 2 at a time. That's it's a nice rhythm. Now, every fruit meal doesn't have to be a mono fruit meal, especially on early on the transition. I usually like to either do mono fruit meals or duo fruit meals with maybe 2 types of fruit that combine well, or that I've learned or felt that combine well with my body. But you'll find as you get your body cleaner, it's gonna feel a lot better to just eat 1 type of fruit at a time. But I love how the blackberries make me feel. It's different from other fruits. It's got this kind of grounding effect, like the strength. It's not like if I eat a mango, then I'm like, woohoo, woohoo, and that type of vibe. Like something about blackberries, it's just like, it's just kind of grounding. It's like, yeah. So it gets me in touch with my frugivore roots type of meal. Like the ancestors are like, yeah, get them berries. Get ourselves together. So I know this recipe is fairly sophisticated, but you can do it. You just a little bit of time, a little focus, you can get this too. I'm sure anybody can do this recipe. So don't be intimidated. It's a good recipe. Last one. And you want to wash your hands because be a little some of that dark juice and to stain your clothes. I feel a lot better. Blackberries are wonderful. We should just really embrace all these great fruits, all these great vegetables at our disposal. And as you clean up your palate, what you want to eat changes. The depth of how deep you can taste the fruits and the vegetables. You can't get the depth of taste when you're drinking Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Huh? Gatorade and whatever drink. when you start to really transform your palate, it makes the experience of eating the foods that were designed for your body so much better. And just after eating that, the clarity, it's just real food. This is real food. It's really fueling the body. You know, not just protein, and it's all this stuff is myths. The protein theory, these vitamin theories and mineral theories and all these various theories. Like, oh look, we found this is in the body. You need to eat or drink something like that to create that because it's burning off. That's not how the body operates. But won't get into all of that here. Like I said, YouTube, they've been censoring me and taking all my videos down. They don't want me to talk about barely anything. So hopefully the YouTube algorithm gods will not be offended by me eating blackberries. Censorship is something that really pisses me off. So again, thank you. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go down below, click the subscribe, click the like button. And if you'd like to talk with me, get exposed to some more recipes, maybe some more complex recipes, come join me at the free masterclass coming up very soon. Go down below, click the link, register for the event, come and join us. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to talk about all the stuff that I can no longer talk about here on YouTube. So come, it's going to be a lot of fun. And until next time, mucus-free is the way to be. I thank you so much for tuning in. Peace, love, and breath. And before you go, I want you to take a look right here. Here is a video that was selected specifically for you. Click right here, and I will see you over there.